Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering off and unplugging. This prevents shorts and lets you work safely. Once done, check the screen edges and hinge for visible damage and feel for loose glass. Boot into safe mode and then connect an external monitor to see if lines persist. If external display is clean, it's likely an internal cable or panel issue. If both show lines, suspect GPU or logic board. Make sure to note whether lines appear immediately or after warm-up. You'll now open the chassis carefully. Keep screws organized so reassembly is painless. Once inside, locate the LVDS/EDP display cable and inspect it along its run for bends, nicks, or corrosion. These cause intermittent lines. Disconnect and reseat both ends, making sure the latch clicks. Clean contacts with high-purity isopropyl and a soft brush so oxide or residue stops interrupting signals. If the cable is damaged, once you've reseated or replaced the cable, reassemble enough to boot and test. This saves time if further work is needed. If lines disappear, finish reassembly and run extended tests to confirm stability. If lines remain, swap the display panel next. If that fails, the logic board or GPU is likely at fault and requires professional repair. If things go wrong, make note of exact behavior, screenshots, and when lines appear, and contact Apple or a certified technician for advanced board-level diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.